Hello everyone. I'm so excited to announce this news. Last time means in the last month when Unacademy given 7-day trial period, many people utilized that option. They gained lot of knowledge. They sent lot of appreciations to Unacademy team. With that enthusiasm, Unacademy started again 7 days trial period this month. It is started from 9th. So as soon as you start using the trial period, right? If you subscribe today for a trial period, from now onwards 7 days, you will get the free. 7 days you can use plus course. From the day you subscribed, it is the free, absolutely free, right? So remember 12th is the last date. 12th is the last date. Don't miss this opportunity. 12th is the last date for this particular facility. Use referral code Reddy sir, REDDYSIR, to get this 7 days trial period. Right? All the best. I hope you will utilize. Inform to all your friends, all your classmates. All my courses plus classes A to Z I covered: algorithm, data structure, programming, compiler design, theory of computation. A to Z I covered. Please utilize it. Share it to your classmates. Right? Use the referral code Reddy sir, REDDYSIR. You can use any code. I don't have any objection. If you get the knowledge, it is more than enough. 12th is the last day. Don't forget. Right? All the best.